Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on VTHO. As in my earlier video of VTHO, I was showing you that it broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video by the way. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, it has reached this quite long-term resistance at $0.00285 that was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And now again, for the past 3 weeks, it is breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for VTHO that I shared with my members a few days ago on 17th of December. And so far, this move has produced almost 30% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VTHO that I shared on 17th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that VTHO formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see after the completion of this final leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And once it will be re-entered the buying zone, then we can buy it from this range. And this was the complete trade setup. The buying zone was starting from $0.00227 and goes to $0.00276. And this was a sell target zone, and below 2076 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that once again the price line re-entered the buying zone, and then we had a very, very nice pump. And this was almost 30% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of VTHO. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. This was a quite significant support here. That was at half cents, $0.005. That was previously breaking as a support here and support here as well. And after the breakdown, you can see it flipped into a strong resistance. We had a long spike, but could not break it out and got rejected, and also got rejected by the resistance of this wedge as well. And then we broke down the next support that was previously breaking as a support here at $0.00285. And after the breakdown, you can see again the price and again retested its previous support as a resistance, got rejected, and broke down another support of $0.00175 as well. And here we found a quite firm support that was previously working as a resistance here. And now for the past several weeks or months, it was working as a support at $0.0009. And after testing the support so many times, you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance of this wedge pattern. Now, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 281%. And during this rally, we have broken out a quite significant resistance that was previously breaking as a support at $0.00175. And you can see that here, by the way, it was breaking as a resistance, and here it has been breaking as a support. Now, the next resistance is here at $0.00285. That was previously breaking as a support here. And after breaking it out, it can imminently move to the next resistance of $0.005. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge. That is between 2.9 cents to 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.